Imagine having home Wi-Fi without installing fiber cables or technician. All you need is a SIM card, a power, and a device like this. But the big question is the MTN Broadband ZLT T10D Max Cat4 router actually fast and reliable enough for daily use? Today, I'm going to unbox it, test the network speed, and show you everything you need to know before buying this device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Mighty Solution, the channel where we test real tech devices to help you decide what is actually worth your money. In today's video, we are checking out the MTN Broadband 4G router ZLT T10D Max Cat4. So do not get me wrong when I say router or router. Some people call this a router, some people call it router. So when I say router or router, it's still the same words but different pronunciation. This device is one of the most popular home and office internet routers in Nigeria, especially for those people who want a stable internet connection without installing fibers. In this video, I'll cover the unboxing parts, the design, build and ports, the features and specifications, the network speed tests, and the real-world usage, pros and cons, and whether you should buy it. Right now, let's get started with the unboxing parts. Inside the box of the MTN ZLT T10D Max Cat4 router, here is what you normally get. First, of course, the router itself, call it router or router. Next is we have the power adapter, which supplies power into the router. You also find an Ethernet LAN cable, which allows you to connect devices like a desktop computer or gaming console directly to your routers. You might be wondering, what is LAN? LAN simply means a local area networking. Finally, there is a user manual which contains a setup instructions and information about the device. And we also have a UPS of 4500 mAh capacity. This serves as a backup for your router devices in where the electricity is not much stable. Another amazing part is that this device comes with a SIM card starter kit pack. You know what? This SIM card, upon activation, you get a 50 GB of data bonus once you get your SIM card registered and it's been activated. So you get a bonus data of 50 GB and the validity is 1 month. About the setup is actually very simple. All you need to do is to insert your SIM card, plug in the router, power it on, and within few seconds you should have internet access. Right now, let's move to the design, build and port of this device. Let's take a closer look at the design. The MTN ZLT T10D Max Cat4 router comes in a clean white design, which makes it look modern and simple enough to place anywhere in your home or office. So you can place this device anywhere in your home or office. At the front of the router, you see several LED indicators which shows information like a power status, the network signal, the Wi-Fi status, and the internet connections. All these indicators helps you quickly to know whether the router is connected properly or not. Let's take a look at the back of the router. So we have several important ports there. So at the back of the router, we have the WAN or LAN ports in where the LAN cable will enter, and we have the telephone ports as well. Also at the back of this router, we have the charging ports here, the power cable ports. So you can see we have the power cable ports at the back of the router. And as well at the back, we have the labels that carries all the informations about these devices. On the label, we found the model name of this device, the Wi-Fi key, and also the IP in which you can take the means to log into your dashboard, where you can control everything about this router. And also at the back of this router, we have the email number written both on it. Right now, let's take a look at the bottom of this router. So at the bottom of this router, we have a SIM card port we have a SIM card port here and the reset button here. So we have two ports at the bottom of this router. We have a SIM card port and a reset button at the bottom of this router. Do you notice that this device doesn't have a WPS button? It is a modern device, and this device doesn't have a WPS button for quick Wi-Fi connection. This is one of the parts most other creators miss about, but I will carry you along. Some versions doesn't include an external antenna like this, but this particular device has an external antenna to improve a signal receptions in areas with weak network. Right now, let's talk about the features and specifications of this device. The MTN ZLT T10D Max is a 4G LTE Category 4 router, meaning it supports download speeds up to 150 megabytes per second and upload speeds up to 50 megabytes per second depending on your network coverage. And it also supports multiple LTE bands, allowing it to connect to several network frequencies for better compatibility. One great feature is that this router can connect up to 32 devices, meaning that your smartphones, smart TV, laptops and other devices can all share the same internet connection. Another interesting feature is the built-in 4500 mAh battery backup, which allows the router to continue working even where there is a power outage. And that is very useful in places where electricity is not always stable. This router also includes security features like firewall protection, IP and MAC filtering, Wi-Fi password protection. So overall, it's designed to provide secure and stable home and office internet connection. Right now, let's talk about the speed test and network performance. The speed test and network performance is one of the most important parts of this device. Since this is a Cat4 router, the theoretical maximum speed can reach around 150 megabytes per second download. But of course, the real world speed depends on several things like your location, network coverage, time of the day, numbers of connected users. During my test, I connected several devices including a phone and laptop, and the router handled web browsing, YouTube streaming, file downloads without any major issues. For normal usage like browsing, video streaming, social media, online classes, the router performs quite well. However, if you are planning to do heavy gaming or extra large downloads, the speed may vary depending on network strength in your area. So about the real world test. In daily use, this router is very convenient. It's perfect for homes, small offices, students, or a remote worker, because once the router is turned on, everyone in the house or office can connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Another advantage is that you don't need a fiber installation or complicated setup. Just insert your SIM card and you are ready to go. Over to the pros. I personally, here are some things I like about this router. The first is it is easy to set up. Basically, it's plug and play and there is no complicated setup. Secondly, it supports multiple devices, which is greater for families or small offices. And the third is the battery backups, which helps during power outages. And finally, it provides a stable 4G internet for everyday tasks. Now over to the cons. Of course, there is a few downsides. Since it is a Cat4 router, the maximum speed is lower than newer Cat6 or 5G routers. Also, performance depends heavily on network signal strength in your location. So, if the MTN network is weak in your area, the speed may not be very impressive. Now, my final verdict. Should you buy the MTN Broadband ZLT T10D Max Cat4 router? If you need an affordable home or office internet solution that is easy to set up and can connect multiple devices, this device is a good option for you. But if you want an extremely high speed for heavy gaming or professional streaming, you might want to consider a higher category of fiber internet option. And that is my full review of the MTN Broadband ZLT T10D Max Cat4 router. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified for more tech reviews. Let me know in the comment section, would you use this router for your home or office internet? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.